Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we got to learn 10 life lessons. In this life, we got a lot of things to learn. Sometimes going through tough times helps to keep things in perspective and shape us. Traumatic experiences give us a thicker skin and learn to value our life much more. Number 1. Live in the moment and take it slow. It is hard to live in the moment, especially with this modern age, when we are looking for instant gravitation and instant rewards. Keeping up with the pace makes us feel anxious. It's important that we take time and slow things down. Be present and mindful with our life no matter what we are doing. If one day you have to look back at life and it seems all blurry, and then surely it wasn't a life well lived. Number 2, always believe in something. What you believe is what you become. Doesn't matter what it is, doesn't matter what anyone else thinks, believe in it. Number 3, know your aims. In order to figure out the direction of how to reach your aims is to establish your goal first. Just like when traveling, it is easier to pick a destination than to decide what transportation to take. Otherwise, a goal without directions is to go on vacation with no set destination. Number 4. Everyone across your path is worth knowing. Life is the longest fleeting journey, and it encounters you to meet many different people on your journey, and each and every one of them is worth knowing. To someone you've met, you could someday be the next story they tell. Number 5. Unleash your inner child. Life itself can be stressful. Sometimes it is good to break those boundaries of behaving a certain way by unleashing your inner child. Always allow yourself to be a child and have the purest form of freedom. Do not let the limitations of this world make you hold back. Number 6. Push your boundaries. If we don't push ourselves out of boundaries, we never know what we are capable of. Vagueness, lack of certainty, is something that stops us from breaking free. Knowing you can do this is an enlightenment. Number 7. Be present with your loved ones. With all the distractions around us, it's important that our loved ones are loved and heard. Oprah once said that after talking to almost 30,000 people on her show, she's found that everyone has the same desire, that is to know they are seen, they are heard, and that what they say matters. Number 8. Let go. Do yourself a favor and find a way to forgive and move on. Holding on to bitterness and anger will only hurt you. It doesn't mean you necessarily forget what happened, but forgiveness allows you to release the negative and make more room for the positive. Number 9. Make your health a priority. We all know our body responds well to a healthy lifestyle. So is our mind. In order to get the maximum performance of mind and body, it's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Number 10. Be positive. If you are an optimist, you see things in life as an opportunity. Be positive and appreciate little things in life. After all, life is all about journey and not the destination. Like and subscribe if you enjoy.